This is my BMW E46 330 Ci that I bought, crash damaged, and I have been attempting to rebuild it, but it has never been running right. As you can see, visually the car looks complete. Mechanically it is also complete, but it's nowhere near to the drift car spec that we're expecting it to be. It was never meant to be a show car, a pretty looking thing. It was always meant to be a track car, drift car. But what we've done so far is just made it pretty. We have got some really great sponsors on board that have supplied a lot of the drift parts that we need to finally get it complete and get it out on a track. Hopefully we can get it drifting, we can enter into some events. I have good news and I have bad news. The good news, we have some great sponsors that have supplied all the parts to finally get this build complete. We've also added the discount codes in the description if you want to go check them out and grab something. We've got some cool merch. Visit our website, grab some. It means a lot to us, helps us with these projects. But the bad news, lack of time and lack of mechanical knowledge, where I have a good mate, Bry, who is gonna come and give us a hand to finally get this car going. Let's head back to the unit and talk through what the next action plan is. When we come to the back of here, this is all the bits that we still need to put on the car, and once they go on, we will be ready for some drifting action. So the plan is we get the car over to my good friend Bry just around the corner. We have a bit of a deal going with him. So what he'll do, he'll fit all these bits. We've got a clutch, we've got exhaust, we've got a rocker cover, loads of drifty bits like whoop, 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 whoop. Then we've also got a K-brace. All of them bits are from Born to Drift, so thank you to them for supporting us with this build. That's the list of things we've got to do. The list is massive. We've got some great arrangements with Bry, who's gonna come help us finish this. It's the middle of the summer, so we don't have a lot of time. Hopefully by the end of the summer we can get it actually out on a track and get some drifting in. At the moment, all I can do is a bit of burnout, a bit of donuts. The full rebuild video will be out soon. Keep an eye out, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget our merch, it means a lot to us. Like it, share it, leave us a comment, and see you soon. Yeah? Is it ready filming? No, let's try again. Wait, what do I say?